All right, guys, we're out at XRP Extreme Raceway Park. This is the last night that we'll have to test the car. So the car has actually been running real good, but we wanted to get some final testing in, especially we wanted to get our nitrous dialed in a little bit better. So that's what we're doing out tonight. We'll check it out on the track, and then we'll get back and run the car, see what we can do. Y'all, look out and caught up here creeping. Creeping at the drag strip. Hey man, you got to get me ready for Roadkill Nights, man. You the champion.
Oh man,
you the champion.
Your competitor's right there.
Who?
Lacey.
This ain't that. She ain't no competitor.
Oh come on!
Stop
man.
it already, man. Let me talk to this girl. This girl ain't no competition.
Don't you be giving her hell, damn it.
Why you bring this girl to get her soul snatched? What's going on, Lacey? Oh, you do, girl, it ain't no competition. You ain't no competition. Stop that already.
Here. I stole his gas last year and beat throttle with it, so there we go. We're fine.
You driving Justin's car, right? Girl, drop that zero and get with this hero. I done already told you what to do. It ain't too late. It ain't too late to get on my team. Get in where you fit in.
Hey, you want to know something? He was flirting with my mom.
Hey man, she been asking about me.
She's a nice lady.
She has been every time I talk to her.
Hey.
She wondered when we gonna go fuck up that buffet together.
Hey, you didn't know I'm their black daddy. You didn't know that,
Oh, man. It don't get up on top of the charger until 300 feet.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, it does 100 at the end, so that's important. So it's going quick down there, but not at the beginning.
But what you want me to give you? The back tire, the hit, the bump, what you want?
Shit, can you just give me the race? Come on now, let's get the race. Come on.
You know I always give you the race.
So this is where it gets rough right now, right? Because now I have two friends that are competing at Roadkill Nights, and I'm not sure which one to root for.
Look, always root for the winner.
Oh no! See
that way you never go wrong. You just say whoever wins, that's the one I'm rooting for.
Lacey. Oh, Lacey getting ready to talk some shit right now. I kind of feel sad I ain't gonna be there this year.
Hey, what happened to you? You the champion. Why come you ain't show up? You just give up your title. You like Ali, they gonna put you in jail?
No, they gave me a trophy. That's good enough for me. You know what I mean? I got beat by a girl 4 times in a row. I'm done. They gave me the trophy. I'm out of here.
Hey man, that wasn't a fair race, man. You know that girl. She come in with a full tube chassis car and everything. You've been running all day. So we had a great time though, right?
Dude, and we had a good time. So can you guys run Turbo 400s this year?
Yes.
Oh, you gonna fuck it up.
This will be only the 3rd time I've ever driven down the track.
Wait a minute now. Okay.
She's trying to teach herself how to drag race. Come on, give her some tips. Now she needs.
I already told her to drop that zero and get with me. Come on. I'll teach her.
He's running like 760.
He's running like 760. Oh, good Lord, girl, you gonna be gapped like this? Shit. Damn. I'll be in your soul going on the altar more for the rest of it. You be a zombie, it's all good. I got a lot of zombies.
Oh, don't worry. This guy's the biggest shit talker you'll ever see.
cause you. Where that girl at? Girl.
I'm girl, I think.
Girl. No, you all right. You all right. You all right. Justin is the one.
The only reason you're helping is because we went and up that buffet together, right?
Hey man, we got to get that buffet, man.
Oh.
Hold on. Let me call Earl the Pearl and get him down here. Man, I can't believe I'm helping my competition. This is a no-no. Huh?
You ain't racing that.
Yeah, but still.
Here's how it goes at Roadkill Nights. One person that you decide you just don't like, if you lose, you just go help whoever's getting ready to beat them.
Yeah, you help everybody else. I mean, but I gotta help him. You know, his black daddy always gotta help him.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that big you gave me too.
Hey, I told you, y'all ain't regular kids, man. Can y'all drive down there where we at? Yeah, just follow me. Y'all come down here. Hey man, so what do you think about the Silverback?
Here, hold on. Let me see if I can get my fat ass in there.
Man, come, boy, you know you can. Hold on, let me take the steering wheel off.
How about this? How about I just show up this year as your apprentice?
Like I did.
Bitch, you got skinny.
God dang! Look at it!
Oh man,
Look at it!
Oh, God almighty, boy. This thing's ready to rip. Hey, Lacey, I got bad news for you. Very little interior and a lot of wires in here. That's a lot of shit going on. I'm not sure where it's going besides fast.
Hey, it ain't nothing here for you to see, little girl. You just keep moving along.
Oh, this seat fits perfect.
Yeah, man, containment.
What'd you build this car for?
I built it for us.
For us?
Yeah, so we can race it.
Hell yeah.
Come on, man.
How funny would it be if I just showed up as your apprentice?
Come on, you need to show up. You need to show up and race. Man, walk, man, you need to show up and race. You know I'll let you make a pass.
See, that's a good part. I wouldn't even have to build the car. I could just show up and race his car.
They'll go
Yeah,
another
his
one
car
of my
ripped.
sons. I'm his black daddy.
Hey, you're not supposed to tell everybody that.
Man, you know when they show up at school, you know they be on the playground like that.
This is Demonology race car for Roadkill, right? As you can see, there's very little anything left besides 4 race car. Oh, did you just flip the ignition on for me?
Yeah, man, I had to turn it up
Oh.
so you know the screen to come on. So you can see that 12-inch screen, man.
Oh.
Yeah, if you want to fire it off, hold on. Let's get the fuel.
Fuel, engine fan.
Engine fan, we're gonna put some water on it, press it up, press the button.
Let's go.
Give it some red. Man, you know, after Roadkill Nights, I gotta make it. You know, you known for f***ing up shit before Roadkill Nights. You know, that's your MO. So you get your ass out the car.
Weston, just wreck it.
Oh, hell no. Hell no. He'll blow up a converter, a transmission, or something. He'll do something.
Let my ass in.
Yeah, no.
I'm just gonna sit in it and fucking 4 of the rods go fly out.
You'll be all right. Hey, Blur, this where you need to be. This where everybody gonna see the booty juice right here. So come on, I want you to get used to this because it's the booty juice. This is where everybody gonna eat it from the back. Okay? Yeah, this is it right here. Big shout out to Flow Supply, Optimal Batteries, Holley, Aeromotive. Come on, man.
What the f is wrong?
Don't worry about all that.
Your battery's bolted down.
Don't worry, you're looking at too much, son.
Hey, you want to see some real pimp juice?
Yeah, let me
come here. I'll show you some stuff.
Let me see some pimp juice.
I'll tell you what.
It better be strong too.
Oh, it's good shit.
Man, pull that smoke wagon. Come on, let's get this thing on the track. Oh, good Lord, man, where you going?
Ratchet strap holding her down and everything.
Hey, that's that redneck science, man.
That's right. That's exactly what it is.
Air suspension.
Yeah, we got all kinds of shit back here. You always make sure you don't bolt your air pump down very hard. That way it got some room to move.
Redneck science, man.
Exactly. I was letting it cool down as 240 coming back.
Woo. Now, if I pop my cherry racing you, boy.
You gonna be mad?
Yeah, no, well, I'm gonna show up with this.
That's fine. We can pull this out of there and put a Hellcat in it real quick.
Well, man, I don't know. For you, I may line up next to you just to go down the track.
Well, what the hell is that? So, all right, you've seen them both outside run. Which one looks faster?
That one run low spot. I mean,
hey man, look.
Oh,
hey,
God damn it!
You ain't supposed to tell nobody speed. What you talking about, man?
I mean, 7.5.
There you go.
That's what I said. He misheard me.
Are y'all gonna be here tomorrow or y'all traveling?
We might leave in the morning.
God dang, I've been trying to get you to my barbecue
If
buffet.
he moved
Where's the barbecue buffet?
Where y'all at? So where y'all
Where's the barbecue? Wait, hold on.
Y'all in
There's a
Johnson?
barbecue buffet?
Yeah, it's a barbecue buffet.
Where?
In Dallas. So then
You're on a diet, Weston.
So and I
Barbecue's not bad.
Did you see the way you looked? He's like, you sure?
don't say that. That's blasphemy. Look, go check at the cemetery. They all down there. Skinny ones, young ones, the ones that was running marathons, they all down there at the cemetery. Babies, all them motherfuckers down at the cemetery. Best breakfast joint. And a lot of people sleep on this place. It's called the original Pancake House.
Oh, absolutely. There's one in Burleson.
It's off the chain.
Yes.
Off the chain.
These guys just
Off
bonded.
the chain.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.